Tropical rainforest, a hot and wet climate found near the equator, with high temperatures and heavy rainfall throughout the year. The hallmark of tropical rainforests is their dense vegetation, characterized by a multi-layered canopy that forms a continuous green roof overhead and unparalleled biodiversity, containing a vast array of plant and animal species. Major areas include the Amazon rainforest in South America, the Congo Basin in Africa, and parts of Southeast Asia, such as Indonesia and Malaysia. Tropical monsoon. This is a climate zone similar to the tropical rainforest above, but with distinct wet and dry seasons. The temperature remains high throughout the year, with little seasonal variation. The days are hot, and the nights remain warm. The wet season typically occurs during the summer months, when the intertropical convergence zone shifts towards the area, bringing heavy rainfall. The dry season usually coincides with the winter months. The tropical monsoon climate is found in regions such as parts of South America, for example, the Amazon Basin, portions of Africa, for example, the Congo Basin, and Southeast Asia. Tropical savanna, characterized by distinct wet and dry seasons, similar to the tropical monsoon climate, but with a more pronounced dry season. The tropical savanna climate supports a mix of grasslands and scattered trees known as savannas. The prolonged dry season influences the distribution and composition of vegetation, favoring drought-resistant grasses and deciduous trees that can shed their leaves to conserve water during periods of low rainfall. The tropical savanna climate is found in regions such as parts of South America, the Cerrado region in Brazil, parts of Africa, the Serengeti Plains, some areas in Asia and northern Australia. Desert climate, a climate zone with very low precipitation with high temperatures year-round. There are two subtypes. Hot deserts are hot both day and night, with examples like the Sahara Desert in Africa, the Arabian Desert in the Middle East, and the Mojave Desert in North America. Cold deserts experience extreme temperature fluctuations between day and night. While daytime temperatures can be relatively high, they can drop below freezing at night, particularly during the winter months. The Gobi Desert in Asia and parts of the Great Basin Desert in North America are some examples of cold deserts. In both hot and cold desert climates, the extreme aridity and high temperatures present significant challenges for life. However, these regions are often home to specialized flora and fauna adapted to survive in such harsh environments. Temperate climate, characterized by moderate temperatures, distinct seasonal variations, and a variety of vegetation types adapted to the local climate conditions. These regions often support diverse ecosystems and are suitable for a wide range of human activities, including agriculture, forestry, and tourism. Some subzones are Mediterranean, hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. Humid subtropical, hot, humid summers and mild winters with moderate precipitation. Some examples are the southeastern United States, southeastern Brazil, parts of China, and Japan. Maritime, mild temperatures year-round with moderate precipitation, influenced by proximity to oceans. Examples include the Pacific Northwest of the United States, southern Chile, and parts of Western Europe. The semi-arid climate, classified as hot semi-arid and cold semi-arid, is characterized by relatively low precipitation levels and a mix of desert-like conditions with some features of more temperate climates. The southwestern United States, parts of northern Mexico, the Sahel region of Africa, and parts of Central Asia exhibit a hot semi-arid climate. Parts of the Great Plains in North America, the Patagonian region of South America, and the steppe regions of Central Asia exhibit a cold semi-arid climate. The Continental Climate, characterized by hot summers and cold winters with moderate precipitation. Summers are typically hot, with temperatures often exceeding 30 degrees Celsius, while winters are cold, frequently dipping below freezing. This climate supports a variety of ecosystems, ranging from coniferous forests to grasslands, adapted to endure seasonal fluctuation. Continental climates tend to occur in central and eastern parts of the three northern-tier continents, North America, Europe, and Asia. Some subzones are humid continental, hot summers, and cold winters with moderate precipitation, found in the Midwest United States, Eastern Europe, and northeastern China. Subarctic, short, cool summers and very cold winters with low precipitation. Found in Alaska, parts of Canada, Russia, and Siberia. Highland Climate. These climates are found in mountainous regions and exhibit variations depending on elevation. Temperatures decrease with increasing altitude. There are also wide temperature variations between day and night due to low humidity and clear skies. Precipitation patterns vary depending on the region's location and topography. The windward slopes receive significant rainfall. In contrast, leeward slopes may experience drier conditions and sometimes form rain shadows. Unlike many other climate types, there are no distinct seasons and weather pattern changes on a day-to-day basis. Highland climates are found in mountainous regions worldwide, including the Rocky Mountains in North America, the Andes in South America, the Alps in Europe, and the Himalayas in Asia. Polar climate. Polar climates are characterized by extremely cold temperatures and minimal precipitation, predominantly found near the Earth's poles. Köppen divides polar climates into tundra, cold temperatures and low precipitation with a short, cool summer. Ice cap, permanent ice and snow with no significant warm season.